Marcus Tullius Cicero, January 3, 106 BC, December 7, 43 BC, was a Roman statesman, lawyer, scholar, philosopher, and academic skeptic who tried to uphold optimate principles during the political crises that led to the establishment of the Roman. His extensive writings include treatises on rhetoric, philosophy, and politics, and he is considered one of Rome's greatest orators and prose stylists. He came from a wealthy municipal family of the Roman equestrian order and served as consul in 63 BC. Here are some Marcus Tullius Cicero quotes about leadership that will inspire you. Let's go. The man who commands efficiently must have obeyed others in the past, and the man who obeys dutifully is worthy of someday being a commander. Persistence in a single view has never been regarded as a merit in political leaders. An unjust peace is better than a just war. Gratitude is not only the greatest of virtues, but the parent of all the others. The life of the dead is placed in the memory of the living. The safety of the people shall be the highest law. Any man can make mistakes, but only an idiot persists in his error. Friendship improves happiness and abates misery by the doubling of our joy and the dividing of our grief. Silence is one of the great arts of conversation. If you have a garden and a library, you have everything you need. Glory follows virtue as if it were its shadow. The enemy is within the gates. It is with our own luxury, our own folly, our own criminality that we have to contend. Live as brave men, and if fortune is adverse, front its blows with brave hearts.